Welcome back to another exciting episode of Unravel Igbo. I'm your host, Ada Igwe Umunri, and today we have a fascinating topic to dive into. Have you ever wondered why Eze Enugwu-Ukwu is also known as Igwe Umunri? Well, stick around because we are about to uncover the secrets behind this intriguing name. So grab a comfy seat. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. To understand how Eze Enugwu-Ukwu came to be called Igwe Umunri, it's essential to take a trip back in time. Enugwu-Ukwu is a vibrant community nestled in Anambra State, Nigeria, a place rich in history and culture. Traditionally, communities in Igbo land had their rulers known as Eze. And over the years, various villages evolved under different kingdoms. One of these prominent kingdoms was the Umunri Kingdom, an ancient monarchy which can trace its roots back several centuries. The Umunri Kingdom encompasses several towns and villages within Anambra State today. These towns include Nri, Alo, Ogbunike, Nofia, and you guessed it, Enugwu-Ukwu. Now, you might be wondering, what makes the Umunri Kingdom so special that it shares its name with this particular village? Well, let's delve deeper into the fascinating history behind it all. Igwe, we welcome you to the program.
You're welcome to the staff of ABS. You're welcome.
All right, Igwe, before we begin, could you please let us into this name a little? Okpala Nakana Okabia the fourth.
Good. Okpala and Nakana.
Okay.
I see people of those days, particularly the very affluent ones, had a way to answer their names. This gentleman of old that I'm sitting on his throne was the Okpala Nri. And then it gives another impression, Okpala Anakana, the land that is bigger than other lands. Because he was the son of the legendary Nri. And so that's how the name emanated. And he has other appellations. Okabia Nri the fourth. Okabia Nri. Okabia Nri. Trying to link up his personal name and Okabia was a shrine. You remember in the olden days, they believed in shrines and that kind of thing. Okabia is a kind of shrine. Not shrine that kills people, but from where our people in those days were deriving the Ofo stick. And Ofo was a very wonderful symbol for Nri and people that followed. You cannot be, anything you do, you must have hold of, anything of cultural significance that you had to perform in those days, and even now, Ofo must be there.
You've heard from the horse's mouth. Now let's continue. Legend has it that the Umunri people were part of the exodus from ancient Egypt. Yes, we are going way back. They journeyed across several territories until finally settling in present-day Nigeria around the 9th century AD. It is believed that they brought with them significant knowledge of governance and religious practices. Over time, their influence spread throughout southeastern Nigeria, with various towns assimilating into the Umunri Kingdom. It is within this historical context that the emergence of the title Igwe Umunri begins to make sense. You see, Igwe is an Igbo term for king. So, when Enugwu-Ukwu became part of the Umunri Kingdom, its leader was referred to as Igwe, reflecting the traditional monarchical system in place. Thus, the name Eze Enugwu-Ukwu and Igwe Umunri became used interchangeably to identify their esteemed ruler. It's fascinating how history molds our identities and even shapes the names we use today. But it doesn't end there. This tale goes beyond lineage and power dynamics. it reaches into the spiritual realm as well. The Umunri people held strong spiritual beliefs centered around a sacred python called Eke. This python served as a symbol of dignity and was seen as a mediator between humans and deities. Consequently, it played a significant role in their religious ceremonies and festivals. Here comes another intriguing twist. In Enugwu-Ukwu, their revered king, whether referred to as Eze or Igwe, carried out vital rituals involving pythons during his installation ceremony. These customs further solidified the connection between Enugwu-Ukwu and the wider Umunri kingdom. Today, you can still witness traces of these traditions during special events in Enugwu-Ukwu, where pythons are paraded beautifully adorned on the shoulders of attendants, an awe-inspiring sight indeed. As time progressed, social systems changed across Nigeria due to colonial influences, which inevitably impacted traditional institutions. However, despite these changes in governance structure, with an increased focus on local government councils, the respect accorded to traditional rulers such as Eze Enugwu-Ukwu and Igwe Umunri, in this case, remains strong even today. To the people of Enugu and those associated with the Umunri kingdom, these titles serve as a reminder of their cultural heritage and the kingship that has been passed down through generations. It is a testament to their history, customs, and unity as a community, the same. So next time you hear the name Eze Enugwu-Ukwu na Igwe Umunri, remember that they are one and the same, a title born out of centuries, old traditions, lineage, and beliefs. It's remarkable how such names have stood the test of time and continue to shape identities in contemporary Nigeria. That brings us to the end of another captivating episode where we explored why Eze Enugwu-Ukwu goes by the name Igwe Umunri as well. I hope you enjoyed uncovering this cultural gem with me today. Don't forget to tune in next week for yet another exciting journey into the Igbo culture. This is Ada Igwe Umunri signing off from Unmasking Igbo Culture. Until next time, thank you.